What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Hype because this coin is about to complete setup that I am waiting for a couple of weeks, and today I will show you the exact trade that I'm actually planning to take here, plus I will let you know about the exact price that I'm expecting this coin is gonna hit. So let's start today on a 12-hour chart with the exact trading setup, or like with the exact trade that I'm actually planning to take here. If you saw my previous analysis that I did about this coin, you know that I'm planning to enter slightly above this bullish order block, and the exact entry that I actually have with this trading position is level 57.29. So you can see with the previous 12-hour candle, this was kinda close call. You can see this position like didn't get filled by 0.3% of a net market, which is kinda low, especially because we are, for example, aiming here for even higher profits. Stop loss in this case I am simply placing under this bullish order block, and my main take profit targets I am placing under $100. So this is, in my opinion, the best potential trading setup we can actually get here. Don't worry, in this video we will get into exact potential trading setups that I'm also watching here. But before that, I just want to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing setups about interesting altcoins that I'm watching every single day. So if you want to get access to this for completely free, link to join is in the description or in the comments. Just keep in mind there are a lot of scam accounts that are pretending to be me, so if you will ever receive a friend request or a message from the account that looks like mine, keep in mind it's a scam, because I will never DM you on my own. Also, if you, for example, want to know about the exact trading setups that I am taking, I have also my VIP group, so more information about VIP group you can find in this Discord as well. So as I said, I am planning to take multiple take profit targets on the way up. The long position that I'm taking here is looking like this. So stop loss under this bullish order block, so stop loss around 8% of a net market, last take profit targets under $100 mark. The main reason why I am speculating for such a high level, which is slightly under $100 mark, is that I am super bullish fundamentally about this coin in the long run. And honestly, this is one of the few coins that I'm actually having in my long-term spot portfolio. And I actually got into a long spot position on this coin on the level $38. So from this level, I am currently up around 52% of a net market, and the exact level where I am planning to start selling is around 150. So from the $38 mark, this is gonna be a potential move around like 300% of a net market, which is, in my opinion, really great potential profit. But anyway, let's now get back to this trading setup. On the way up, as I said, I want to take multiple take profit targets, and taking multiple take profit targets is, in my opinion, really important, because you want to be able to manage your position like properly. So for example, after TP1 that I'm taking somewhere around these previous important lows and these previous important highs, I will not share here the exact levels, because of course this is a private content for my VIP group. But actually this trade on Hype is one of the few trades that I am kinda sharing publicly. So if you, for example, want to know about other interesting trading setup, definitely go check my other videos, because once in a while I am actually like showing potential trading setups that I'm taking. But anyway, first profits I want to take around this previous important lows and this previous important high, and the main purpose of the first take profit target is actually to secure this position. So there is no way of me like turning that profitable position into a loss. So after I'm taking like first take profit targets, I'm moving my stop loss and I'm risking what I made on TP1. So if I'm, for example, making $500 on TP1, I'm simply moving my stop loss and I'm risking for that stop loss $500. So if the price will, for example, drop slightly under the entry and then it will pump up, I'm still okay. I'm not gonna get stopped out. But if there will be, for example, a bigger jump, I will be basically on break even. And the main profits, or like the real profits, are from TP2 and above. And because I'm a swing trader, which means I'm usually holding positions for at least a couple of days, my biggest profits are of course on the higher levels, and these are the areas where of course I am making the most amount of money. But I think in the long run, for the past 8 years of experience, I think this is a best strategy for swing trading, because again, I'm a swing trader. I don't do day trades. In my opinion, this is like unnecessary headache. So yeah, this is my simple way of trading. So yeah, let's now take a look on a daily time frame. Here again, like if we are gonna test this level, it will mean we are gonna take liquidity under like these previous important lows. To be completely honest, the main reason why I speculated for this entry is to take liquidity under this previous important low, which of course like already happened. So actually I wouldn't be that surprised if from the current level we will go up and we are not gonna retest this bullish order block. But well, this is complete normal part of trading. Another way how you can actually trade this, so of course this is not the way how I would trade it, because in my opinion there is higher probability that we will go up from this bullish order block, but this let's say strategy simply is to wait here for a liquidity grab under also this previous important low. So if the market will do something like this, pullback support confirmation, this is another way how you can trade it. In this case, so you need to place your stop loss under the low that will be created during the fake out. Last take profit targets under that $100 mark, which is gonna give you probably slightly better profit, slightly better risk reward ratio, but of course it depends on how big the potential fake out will be. But if you, for example, don't want to take this for a limit and trade, this is a strategy that I would take. Also about the risk management, because I know that if I'm talking here about the exact trading setup and I'm showing the exact entry that I'm planning to take, I am certain then that some of you are gonna take it. So if you will decide to take this trading position, please have proper risk management. I am not recommending to risk more than like 1% of my trading capital, and I'm not exactly sure what my risk management on this trade is, but I think it's 0.5% of my trading capital. So if this trade will end up in a stop loss, I will risk 0.5%. So there is no 100% guarantee that a coin like this is gonna end up in a profit. If there will be a huge crash in the whole crypto market, we can be down, and my long-term win rate with positive risk reward ratio is around 60 to 65%. So there is almost 40% probability that this trade will end up in a stop loss. Just keep this in mind, please. So yeah, this is the way how I would trade it. Let's now take a look on a weekly time frame, because here this coin is, in my opinion, looking really great. I already said in this video that, in my opinion, from a fundamental perspective, this coin is absolutely insane, and I'm expecting in the long run we will go up. The lowest prediction that I actually have for the upcoming bull market is somewhere around $150, but actually I wouldn't be surprised if we are gonna get on even higher levels. I think that for my long-term capital, I currently have in hype something between 3 to 5%, something like that, which for me is kind of a lot, because in the long run I still like the Bitcoin, I still like Bitcoin the most. So majority of my long-term spot portfolio is created like from Bitcoin, but that spot position that I took around like $38, I think I took it for 5% of my long-term spot portfolio, something like that. And as I said, I'm planning to sell once the price hit $150 mark, but this is of course just the first sell, and I will be selling like on the way up. And I think that like the highest that I am planning to sell is somewhere around $300 to $400 bucks. I actually think we can get here in the upcoming alt season, and if we will from the entry, this can be almost 10x, or like it will be 10x if we are gonna hit that $400 mark. So yeah, this is my main strategy, but of course the probability that we are gonna hit like $400 per one hype is of course not that high. That's why I'm planning to like sell on 150 and then rest of the bags on even higher levels. So hey guys, this will be all for me for today. Thank you for watching. Definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin, and what is, for example, the exact price that you actually think this coin is gonna hit. If you want to join my Discord trading group and you want to get access to the actual coins that I'm watching, link to join is in the description or in the comments. I am very active there, at least 2 analysis every single day, plus 2 videos approximately I'm doing every single day, plus more shorts. I'm doing a lot of content for completely free. So yeah, just keep this in mind. I will be really happy if you consider like this video or subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.